Question 16, they give us a graph over here, right? They give us some sort of function y equals f of x, and what are they asking us? They are asking us how the graph would look if we shifted it up 5, right? Because what are they doing here? They're giving us a second graph, y equals f of x plus 5, and they want to see which one of these answers will be the one that looks like that. So the only one, right, that is shifted up by 5 units is D, right? And how did I know that? Well, I looked at this graph that they gave us, and I just found one point that I could easily track, and shift up. And that point is this one right here. If you look at the very end, you can see when x is equal to 10, y is equal to 1. So we just got to find the other answer choice where the very last point on the graph is shifted up. So we would expect it if it's plus 5, right? We would expect that last point to be shifted up to 6. And the only one that has that is D, right? So the concept here is you need to know how to translate functions. So this is like shifting and translating functions, right? So that's something you probably learned it in like algebra 2 or calculus, but that's kind of the concept you need to understand here, how to shift and translate functions. But if you knew how to do that, anytime you have a plus 5 after a function or like plus or minus after some function is the vertical shift, right? So here we just have to find the graph that was this graph basically, but shifted up 5 units, right? So that's all you have to do.